How can I fix the poor Wi-Fi connection on my Ring security device?
Hello there. Experiencing Wi-Fi issues with your Ring security device? Today, we'll be guiding you through the steps to help improve your Wi-Fi connection and ensure that your device works optimally. Remember, a stable and strong Wi-Fi connection is vital for your Ring device to function correctly.
What causes poor Wi-Fi connection?
The performance of your Ring device can be influenced by various factors. They include distance from the router. If your Ring device is too far from your router, the Wi-Fi signal may be weak. Interference. Other electronic devices or walls can interfere with Wi-Fi signals. Wi-Fi congestion. If too many devices are connected to your Wi-Fi network, it may reduce the speed available for each device.
Checking your Wi-Fi connection.
First off, check your Wi-Fi signal strength or RSSI, Received Signal Strength Indicator, in the Ring app. 1. Open your Ring app and tap the device you're having problems with. 2. Tap Device Health. 3. In this section, you'll see an entry for RSSI. If your RSSI is -60 or higher, closer to 0, your Wi-Fi connection is good. If it's lower, further from 0, then your Ring device is experiencing a weak Wi-Fi signal.
How to improve your Wi-Fi connection?
Here are some suggestions on how to improve your Wi-Fi connection. Move your router closer to the Ring device, if possible. This can significantly improve your Wi-Fi signal strength. Reduce Wi-Fi interference by moving other electronic devices away from your router or the Ring device. Objects like microwaves, cordless phones, and even walls can interfere with your Wi-Fi signal. Upgrade your Wi-Fi network. If your router is outdated or your internet package is not providing sufficient speed, consider upgrading. You can also use a Wi-Fi extender to boost the signal strength throughout your house. Limit the number of devices on your network during critical times. If multiple devices are streaming videos or downloading large files, your network might not have enough bandwidth for your Ring device.
Performing a reboot.
If your Wi-Fi signal is still poor after trying these steps, you can reboot your Ring device and router. 1. Unplug your router and your Ring device. 2. Wait for about a minute and then plug your router back in. Wait until it's fully powered up and reconnected to the internet. 3. Plug your Ring device back in. It should automatically reconnect to the Wi-Fi network. We hope these steps help you to improve your Wi-Fi connection for your Ring security device. Remember, maintaining a stable and strong Wi-Fi connection ensures the optimal performance of your security device. As always, if you're still having trouble, don't hesitate to contact Ring's customer support. Thank you for watching and take care.